entertain. I learn to float, look, I learned some things. And taught a nigga how to earn your trust. I'm not concerned with them, I know you hurt some things. Look, I ain't perfect, I'm hurting, babe. That make two of us the way you purchase things. The surface level not serving us. I gotta let you in so you interpret things the way I meant. And may I vent based off the things you post online. I can't help but think you gotta stay off that. Embrace the fact I won't brace myself for no downfall. No, they pray on that. If loving you will make me crazy, girl, then giving up on you will make a psychopath. I'm on my way, I'm without back.
Give it some time. Let the early candles play out. We'll see if we continue on this downward trajectory. Let's see how we react to 521.42.
Shawty, is she worried if I might show? Damn, it's hard to care first sight though. Out here with my mans in a night show. Drinking party, yeah, we keep the lights low. I'm in my mind all the way. Ice cold, what a nigga gotta say now. Sipping honey, we be mobbing through the night, oh yeah. Moving like we trapping out of Vando. I need you here for me. Don't you fuck around, I know you hurt by me. I need. Oh, let's go, I got money on me. New city, new bitch, new kid. This calls and the rain on me. I've been down and out, but a nigga still breathing. Saying my prayers for the check. Straight shooter like I'm walking with a tech. Move deep and I'm pounding on my chest. You know what I want. You know what I need. Ice cold.
Okay, so looks like a rejection of 521.42 so far. See if we get any significant movement. So I've added on to the indicators VWAP, right? So VWAP stands for volume weighted average price, and VWAP is another high level liquidity zone, so we'll check on VWAP every now and again. Price likes to gravitate towards VWAP as well, not only the MAs. So we'll check on VWAP every now and again. Right now, it's the orange line right here. We're at VWAP. So, yeah, what happened?
Touchdown in the matrix, yeah. Shawty send me your location, 120 on the freeway speeding.
So far, rejection of 521.42.
Young boy finna do my thing. Get the FBI, put a case on me. Feel like everything okay on me.
Let's let the early candle play out.
Have faith in me, You don't wanna. No, I gotta. But I gotta. You don't wanna. Type you wanna see her every day. She just wants somebody for the night. You call, I'll be on my way. Hard to love me when you got nothing to chase. She just wants somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah. Hey, run it up no more. Hey, none of y'all niggas they poppin'. Yeah, I know you do this often. Hey, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Hey, I'ma swallow all my pride. Hey, won't be nothing but a side piece. Oh. Catching feelings with my pipe dream, oh no. Sighting, she be feeling type of ways. I don't need nobody for the day. I just need somebody for the night. Hey, been there, never been the same, yeah. Been there, but I'm not the one to blame. I just need somebody for the night, yeah. Shawty wanna use me, yeah. I don't need you no more, yeah. Shawty wanna use me, yeah. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me, yeah. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ay, run it up, I'm mobbing. Ay, none of y'all niggas, they poppin'. Yeah, I know you do this often. Ay, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Ay, I'ma swallow all my pride. Won't be nothing but a side piece. Oh, oh. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. Oh no.
None of these algorithms are confirmed as yet. Just give it some time.
Piece of me, piece of my, took some time. I'm just reaping what I saw. So for sure, brand new. That's just for me and my boy. Keep secure, 4x4. G6 sleep off on my hands. I know friend, I know friend. Pay for keys, can't pay for taking me. In the back when the windows turn. Yeah, 'cause they know tonight. Yeah, they know tonight.
Alright, so let's see if purple's going to be our selling channel for today. These are still early candles. Don't jump on anything just yet. Just give it some time. Give it a little bit of time. Still early.
They don't even know me. Now they feeling different when the money's so fast. I got legs low key.
If this magenta is going to be a thing, see the price go sideways for a little bit and then some rejection waves. That would be ideal, right? If it just starts to, if it continues down the purple, it continues down the purple. But, there's some strength. Let's see it go sideways a little bit. Break right outside the purple and then start rejecting underneath this magenta. Or if we just continue in the purple, then we're just inside the purple.
Gotta keep them pockets greased up, can't slip. Gotta get my mama's new whip, new crib.
So on our 30 minutes, I'd like to see it come back, grab some liquidity before another drop. That'd be ideal. That would be ideal. not too talkative. I think this medication in the morning makes me a little nauseous in the morning. And now we're going to see if this is the sidestepping that I was talking about and the rejection underneath this magenta. I haven't confirmed this magenta. I don't know if it's the thing yet. We're going to find out.
Heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. Flashing with a Louis and a VV. Riding around the CG. Heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. All the greed and the lust, cause you want a piece of the pie, all that shit is bleeding me dry, I don't want your piece in the rest, hold it down for me, these act like bitches all the time. These days, I ain't even gon' lie, don't let me down. I've been throwing these hundreds on a dime. Spent 7 on that, bring no wedding vows. All that smoking made me tired. 22's a call it Tyra and Mariah. Talk about my lows and all my highs. Been trying to see the light, this shit is quiet. All the greed and the lust, cause you want a piece of the pie, all that shit is bleeding me dry, I don't want your piece in the rest, Girl, I'm in your CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. Flashing with a Louis and a VV. Riding around the CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. Yeah. They ain't never get it with a dog like me. How we got cheddar singing dog right me. Gotta keep it settled, gotta keep it low key. Money like me, money like. Bitch, I'm in the city with a coke fiends. How they talking money when the money don't speak? Money in his never like it came from the street.
Now let's see if we build in blue and break magenta for our down.
Gotta know, I'm like that. Set, straight back to the quick switch cars, I'm right back. Left, and you know that it can't.
Calls are gonna be somewhere up here.
When I move way to the left, yeah. Shawty won't slide, tryna know me. I can never get it too close, me. Cause she heard I got it on me, yeah. Couldn't pull it up like me, shit. Now she tryna load up my phone, shit, I'm in the booth going ghost, Now they heard I got it on me, yeah. Now they hear I got it on me, yeah. Fresh out the scene, bitch, I'm the best out the scene. Bulletproof if you know what I mean. Lately I just been questioning things. How you wanna stay with me for nice? Baby, I just wanna treat you right. Yeah, I'm thinking late through the night. And baby, you can stay if you like. Ain't no stress.
30 minutes is still inside this purple.
Baby, know I'm different. Hit my text when you downstairs. You know that I'm different than your ex. Stress less. That's my problem now. You got me thinking about you every time I'm not around. Start trying to know me. I can never get it too close, me. Cause she heard I got it on me, yeah. Couldn't pull it up like me, shit. Now she tryna load up my phone, shit, I'm in the booth going ghost, Now they heard I got it on me, yeah. Now they hear I got it on me, yeah.
We really need to break below this 519.42.
Yeah, said a 4x4 for G63, this baby shit for me, 100,000, couple M's don't make a G, Pass me in my bag and put that 40 right on my leg, yeah. Know it's how it day, yeah. Shawty, what you think? I'm about to cut up 25 for my name. I told him my selling is a move it to the bank, yeah.
It's a tough call right here because of the risk of reward, right? Break up magenta. Profit target would be 519.42. It's a very small risk of reward right here. Very small risk of reward.
Baby, ain't more time for you. All the love them back and back, the money too. Yeah, when money come to stones, I just stick and move. since we young as we was dreaming about a Maybach. Now I'm looking for my 41 day days now. She said that she love me, Christy and they love me. This is how she think, and she think, yeah. Say she adore me, Christy and they love me. Fuck with me some more.
Ideally, I would have liked it to build a little bit more inside the blue. Ideally, building a little bit stronger inside the blue before breaking the magenta. You took break magenta, protect your trade. Protect your trade. You should be your trade should be protected if you took break magenta, right? You can't lose from here. Protect your trade. You should at least be at minimum, be inside your break even, so you can't lose no matter what. At least you can win. Even if the one strong candle comes against you right now, you still win. You need to break this level right here for some further down. Take your basics if you get it, okay? Take your basics. Collect something. There it is. Easy money. Easy money. Collect your money, okay? Tighten your stops. Tighten your stops. And if you're the type that's waiting for the setup, like if you would have liked more liquidity in blue, there's nothing wrong with that, right? The trading has to meet your setup requirement. Trading has to meet your requirement, not the other way around.
I forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia.
So we broke this key level, but we see maybe a rejection here, so we'll see what happens here. Was this enough to stop out everybody for continuation down? But if you took the breaking magenta, it's highlighted, right? You took that, your trade's protected. Collect your money. There it is. There it is. When the home runs come, then we'll be prepared for the home run. If you got stopped out, no big deal. You made some money. We'll wait for the next setup. So loud they heard it, no. Yes, you know we found a way. On my boat, you spill the surf. I don't know, ain't no other way. I'm on way, I'ma go down when it get like that. I'ma hold out to maybe. Even God when the horse gon' say, how you been good, fucking. Should've won signs up, 10 on my side, and 10 on my side, a Libra. They come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I forget what it came
myself when I'm making this shit, I'm making this shit look good. Fuck on my shoulder, life's been going out, shawty fuck around like no, thought on my own, fuck on my shoulder, I'ma be colder, I'ma be colder. Fuck on my shoulder, fuck on my shoulder, life's been going out, shawty fuck around like no, thought on my own, fuck on my shoulder, I'ma be colder, I'ma be colder. On a Jackie, fishy, oh. Throw my bank, but throwing that back like whoa. Run that shit, I need to know. I ain't tryna slow the pain. Damn, shawty, I've been this way. I ain't tryna slow the pain. No one running,
so if you're
no,
called, you should be waiting till somewhere up here.
I say so, I'm reaping.
Somewhere at 521 -ish.
Fuck on my shoulder, wanna keep him out. Steady running up. I'm in my lane, I'm on my way. Don't swerve, don't stop. They don't got it like me. I ain't worried about a thing, I ain't worried about a thing. What they didn't get like me, get like me, get like me, get like me, on me, on me. They must see what I need. Couldn't fuck with me, fuck with me.
Don't force anything here.
Just couldn't fuck
Let
with
it
me.
build. Let it build up some more liquidity.
Ice cold, oh. I'm too with it, gon' ISO, ice fuck. Double live and them niggas too nice, got them lining up now when they see me. Got the shawty listening to me on repeat. Gotta know right now. You know, you just know my name, know my name, know my name. Wish they see my face, see my face, see my face. I can't ask for love, not from me. They don't want it like me, but they get it like me. But they didn't get like me, like me, like me, like me, on me, on me. They must be what I need. Couldn't fuck with me, fuck with me, fuck with me. Just couldn't fuck with me. Let them know that, yeah. I'm on somebody told me, yeah.
Alright, there we go. So I know we needed to break 519.07. I know we needed to break that. Get any movement. Remember, we're trying to see if this wick was enough to stop out everybody. So this was just a continuation from these stops right here. This stopped out everybody. These were some retracement, everyone covering their shorts. For their longs rather. There it is. So if you took breaking magenta, or the retest and reject of magenta, you're in profit. Protect your trade. Protect your trade, you're in profit.
Blood on hands, but we just rinse it and repeat. Let's speak a language that we both know how to read. See, baby, hold it down, I'm on way. Come on in, down, I'm on my way. Let me get some money, I'm on my way. You don't gotta save for me, I'm in my way. I'm on my way. Yeah, I learned to cope, I learned to tank, I learned to float. Look, I learned some things. And taught a nigga how to earn your trust. I'm not concerned with them, I know you hurt some things. Look, I ain't perfect, I'm hurting, babe. That make two of us the way you purchase things. The service level not serving us. I gotta let you in so you interpret things the way I meant. And may I vent based off the things you post online. I can't help but think you gotta stay off that. Embrace the fact I won't brace myself for no downfall. I know they pray on that. If loving you will make me crazy, girl, then giving up on you will make a psychopath. I'm on my way, I wait out back. Shawty, is she worried if I might show? Damn, it's hard to care for a side though. Out here with my mans in a night show. Drinking party, yeah, we keep the lights low. I'm in my mind all the way. Ice cold, what a nigga gotta say now. Sipping honey, we be mobbing through the night, oh yeah. Moving like we trapping out of Vando. I need.
Alright, so if you took breaking magenta, protect your trade. You got a little bit of retracement, you should be moving your stop along the purple. Protect your trade. Easy money. So it looks like it might be I'm not sure if it's going to be breaking magenta or breaking green. Let me see if green presents itself. Easy money. Easy money.
120 on the freeway speeding. Big check, blue pills, I'm beating. Young boy finna do my thing. Get the FBI for the case on me. Feel like everything gon' cave on me. Shawty, hold on, have faith in me.
I'm curious to see what happens at this orange down here.
Oh, I gotta.
Let's see what happens.
But I gotta.
Clean up the chart just a bit.
You don't wanna.
Easy money. Easy money. Look at on breaking magenta. Look how much. Look how much money we made. Easy.
She just wants somebody for the night.
Easy money.
Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah. Run it up, I'm mobbing.
Okay, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade.
Yeah, I know you do this.
Absolutely beautiful trade.
I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. I'ma swallow all my pride. Won't be nothing but a side piece. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. Oh no. Sighting, she be feeling type of ways. I don't need nobody for the day. I just need somebody for the night.
I mean, you could, but I don't recommend FOMOing.
Been there and I never been the same.
See what happens at this horn.
I just need somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me.
Let's see if they want to do some continuation like.
Shawty wanna use me. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me. Yeah. Run it up, I'm mobbing. None of y'all niggas, they poppin'. Yeah, I know you do this often. I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. I'ma swallow all my pride.
Oh boy, if you would have took that breaking magenta, there it is. Look at all that money. Look at the money we printed. Breaking magenta, highlighted. We have it highlighted. If you got stopped out on this one, 84% rule. Look at this money. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, this is amazing. Okay.
meditate on this. They ain't even thought this far. This ain't no portion, yeah. Just like I move, made room for you. You and me, I forgot. You had no place to trust. Just like
we shouldn't be worried about long until 519.07, somewhere up here. I'll highlight it.
Now there's no saving us. Piece of me, piece of mine. Took some time.
Somewhere up here is where we can start worrying about calls for safety, right? Could it do this right here? Sure. But your safety is going to be somewhere over here. Who's got FOMO setting in right now? Everybody? Everybody? It's okay. You didn't miss anything. We do it every day. You didn't miss anything. Don't feel weird.
Is it me or no? Is it me or no? They don't even know me. Now they feeling different when the money so fast. I can leave low key. Shawty keep it down, I'ma be right back. I don't switch mode, yeah. Only switch names in sports, that's fact. I ain't pay notice. You know that won't play like me. Something that your money won't reach. Then she gave no love for me. Oh, yeah. You know that won't play like me. Something that your money won't reach. Then she moves so sexually.
This is just a straight arrow down.
Is it me or no?
Unbelievable.
Is it me or no? Is it me or no? Gotta keep them pockets greased up, can't slip. Gotta get my mama's new whip, new crib.
Break magenta. Oh my goodness.
No matter where I throw
big
it,
win.
know it's gon'
Big
stick.
win, break magenta, highlighted. Yeah, big win. It's Monday morning. You didn't miss anything. Don't worry. Monday morning. Give it some time.
Is it me or no? Is it me or no? Heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. That she wanna Louis and a VV. Riding on the CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. All the greed and the lust, cause you want a piece of the pie, All that shit is bleeding me dry, I don't want your piece in the rest, Hold it down for me, these I like bitches all the time.
Let's see if we get back to inside this orange.
I've been throwing these honeys on a dime. Spent 7 on that, bring no wedding vows. All that smoking made me tired. 22's a call it Tyra and Mariah. Talk about my lows and on my highs.
But there's no reason about thinking about calls until somewhere up here.
Cause you want a piece of the pie.
Somewhere up here, we should be looking for put entry.
Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. That she wanna Louis and a VV. Riding on the CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. Yeah. They ain't never got it with a dog like me. gon' rape me. Gotta keep it settled, gotta keep it low key. Money like me, money like me. Bitch, I'm in the city with a coke fiends. How they talking money when the money don't speak? Money in Geneva like it came from the street. Shawty in Vienna, gotta get it with me. Shawty know, gotta know, only know I'm like that. Set, straight back to the crib, switch cars, I'm right back. Left, and you know that it can't. I didn't go left, no, when I move way to the left, yeah. Shawty won't slide, try to know me. I can never get it too close, me. Cause she heard I got it on me, yeah. Couldn't pull it up like me, shit. Now she tryna load up my phone, shit, I'm in the booth going ghost, now they heard I got it on me, yeah. Now they hear I got it on me, yeah.
Fresh out the scene, bitch, I'm the best out the scene. Bulletproof if you know what I mean. Lately I just been questioning things. Now you wanna stay with me for nights. Baby, I just wanna treat you right. Yeah, I'm thinking late through the night. And baby, you can stay if you like. Ain't no stress in this stretch legs. Baby, know I'm different. Hit my text when you downstairs. You know that I'm different than your ex. Stress less. That's my problem now. You got me thinking about you every time I'm not around.
Shawty won't slide, tryna know me. I can never get it too close, me. Cause she heard I got it on me, yeah. Couldn't pull it up like me, shit. Now she tryna load up my phone, shit, I'm in the booth going ghost, now they heard I got it on me, yeah. Now they hear I got it on me, yeah. Set a 4x4 for G6, this baby shit for me, 100,000, couple M's don't make a G, Pass me in my bag and put that 40 right on my leg, yeah. Know it's how it day, yeah. Shawty, what you think? I'm about to cut up 25 for my name. I told him my selling is I move it to the bank, yeah. And you know they're tryna lay down with the man. Way out with the man, right now with the man. Say that she love me, Christy and they owe me. This is how she think, that she think. Say she adore me, Christy in the origin. Fuck with me some more. Baby, ain't no more time for you. All the love them back and back, the money too. Yeah, when money come to storms, I just stick and move. Now we got me spending with my waivers, yeah. Since we young as we was dreaming about a Maybach, yeah. Now I'm looking for my 41 days now, yeah. She said that she love me, Christy and they owe me. This is how she think, that she think, yeah. Say she adore me, Christy and they origin. Fuck with me some more.
Alright, let's see how much retracement they give us. Ideally, we want to build up some liquidity back inside this orange and then break orange, or break magenta, break green. So let's see how much strength this bull cycle has. Yeah, if we guide off the 5, we want to at least minimum break out of this green channel on the 5. Minimum. But it's such a strong downtrend. Do you really want to fight the trend? If you want to go long, just wait for the
Benzes and BMs now. Life don't make no sense now. Falling, yeah, fall back too close. You ain't even know me. Trust my brothers from way back from the north. It's the end of yours, and then like they owe me. Ain't no help, ain't no time in this season. It's the top of the shelf. It's that stress to get me, and it's closer to the chest when you fuck is too deep. You don't know my face, lies don't make no sense, pop up for a minute, eyes up on my whip, Benzes and BMs, lies don't make no sense, falling, yeah, fall back too close, you ain't even know me, trust my brothers from way back from the north, it's the end of yours, and they like they owe me. Shorty want signs of 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. Let it come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. Shorty want signs of 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. Let it come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. 15 right to my safe, 15 right to my bank. Long as my circle tight, long as my circle pay. If she gon' make my mans, if she gon' make my mans, I need my Beyonce. Gotta stay tough, gotta stay tough, Then I'ma bug and call, then I'ma bug and call. I'ma put down when it get like that. I'ma hold out to maybe. Even God when all is no say. How you been good and serving it? Shorty want signs of 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. They come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. Stacks in the leader, all of us teed up. 16 fees now, pay my fees up. All of us teed up, we gon' whip down like yeah, you know. Money so loud they heard it, know. Yes, you know we found a way. On my body spill the sun. I don't know, ain't no the way. I'm on way, I'ma go down when it get like that. I'ma hold out to maybe. Even God when all is gon' say. How you been good and serving it? Shorty want signs of 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. They come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. Fuck on my shoulder, lights been on it, Shawty fuck around like no it, Thought on my own, fuck on my shoulder, I'ma be colder, I'ma be colder. Fuck on my shoulder, fuck on my shoulder, lights been on it, Shawty fuck around like no it, Thought on my own, fuck on my shoulder,
So if you took this original Break and Magenta, that should be enough money for today. Call it a day. Don't be greedy. Call it a day.
Throw my bank, but throwing that back like whoa. Run that shit, I need to know. I ain't tryna slow the pain. Damn shawty, I've been this way. I ain't tryna slow the pain. No one running, no game. I say so, I reap it up. Gotta tell us twice, I'm keep it down. Fuck on my shoulder, wanna keep him out. Steady running up, I'm in my lane, I'm on my way. Don't swerve, don't stop. They don't got it like me. I ain't worried about a thing, I ain't worried about a thing. What they ain't get like me, you like me, you like me, you like me, you on me, They must be what I need. You just couldn't fuck with me, fuck with me, fuck with me. You just couldn't fuck with me. Ice cold, oh, I'm too with it, gon' ISO, nice fuck, double live and the niggas too nice, got them lining up now when they see me, got the shawty listening to me on repeat, gotta know by now.
breaking magenta, protect your trade. Protect your trade if you took this break right here. So on a 5 minute, here it is. Right, our calls were going to be once it breaks this green. The setup for us was the break in magenta, right? That was the setup. Builds a little bit in magenta, break green for the confirmation. Easy money. Easy money, protect your trade. Protect your trade. Ooh, good money. Good money. Look at this money. Right? Breaking magenta. Protect your trade. Don't expect too much out of this. I mean, that's plenty, actually. 560. Yeah, it's a full point. It's a full point. Protect your trade.
OMW on my mama, OMJ. Well, I think that you forgot but what you saw in me. Hard to love, but please don't be the one who got away. Just a humming, talking when I come and humming. Hate the fact that we ain't spoken in some weeks. Blood on hands, but we just rinse it and repeat. Let's speak a language that we both know how to be.
So this is why we weren't looking for long entries or calls until somewhere up here, right? We need the trend to be going in our direction. We don't want to fight the trend. So you're looking for your short entries. Your short entries are going to be build a magenta, break a green.
I learned to cope, I learned to tank, I learned to float, look, I learned some things. And taught a nigga how to earn your trust, I'm not concerned with them, I know you hurt some things. Look, I ain't perfect, I'm hurting, babe, that make two of us the way you purchase things. The service level not serving us, I gotta let you in so you interpret things the way I meant, and may I vent. Based off the things you post online, I can't help but think you gotta stay off that. Embrace the fact I won't brace myself for no downfall, know they pray on that. If loving you will make me crazy, girl, then giving up on you will make a psychopath. I'm on my way, I wait out back,
I'll be right back.
Shawty, is she worried if I might show? Damn, it's hard to care for his side though. Out here with my mans in a night show. Drinking party, yeah, we keep the lights low. I'm in my mind all the way. Ice cold, what a nigga gotta say now. Sipping any, we be mobbing through the night though, yeah. Moving like we trapping out of Vando. Money on me, new city, new bitch, new kid. This calls finna rain on me. I've been down and out, but a nigga still breathing. Saying my prayers for the check.
Okay, forgive me, I had to take my second round of medication.
You know what I want, you know what I need. Ice cold bitch when I'm sipping my tea.
Alright, we're gonna have just a down day, trend day down.
Feeling myself, feeling my knees. Feel like repercussions ain't gon' ever catch me. Heard what I said and I can't help it. I ain't never gon' rest, never gonna test me, check me. I
that 5-minute chart kind of hit.
I need you here for me. Don't you fuck around, I know you heard about me. I need. Okay, yeah, I'm a touchdown in the matrix. Yeah. Shawty send me your location. 120 on the freeway speeding. Big check, blue pills, I'm beating. Young boy finna do my thing. Get the FBI, put a case on me. Feel like everything gon' cave on me. Shawty, hold on, have faith in me. You don't wanna. Oh, I gotta. But I gotta. You don't wanna. Like you wanna see her every day. She just wants somebody for the night. You call, I'll be on my way. Hard to love me when you got nothing to chase. She just wants somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah. Ay, run it up, I'm mobbing. None of y'all niggas, they poppin'. Yeah, I know you do this often. Ay, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Ay, I'ma swallow all my pride. Won't be nothing but a side piece. Oh. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. Oh no. Sighting, she be feeling type of ways. I don't need nobody for the day. I just need somebody for the night. Been there and I never been the same. Been there but I'm not the one to blame. I just need somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah. Ay, run it up, I'm mobbing. None of y'all niggas, they poppin'. Yeah, I know you do this often. Ay, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Ay, I'ma swallow all my pride. Won't be nothing but a side piece. Oh. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. Oh no. Piece of me, piece of my. Took some time. I'm just reaping what I sow. So for sure, brand new home. That's just for me and my boss. Keep secure, 4x4. G6 sleep off on my hands. It's a me or no. 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 They don't even know me. Now they feeling different when the money so fast. I got lazy low key. Shawty keep it down, I'ma be right back. I don't switch mode, yeah. Only switch names in sports, that's fact. I ain't pay notice. You know that won't play like me. Some days that your money won't reach. Then she gave no love on me. Oh, yeah. You know that won't play like me. Some days that your money won't reach. Then she moves so sexually. It's a me or no. It's a me or no.
I'm not convinced on this breaking magenta. I'd like more liquidity built up. I'm not convinced on this breaking magenta. It needs more liquidity to be built up, preferably inside of a blue.
Gotta keep them pockets greased up, can't slip. Gotta get my mama's new whip, new crib. Tell your shawty listen from the city, from the sticks. And no matter where I throw it, yeah, she know it's gon' stick. Shawty isn't me, no babe. Shawty isn't me, no, yeah. It's a me or no. It's a me or no.
No, don't rush anything. Let's see what we do here. They're just going sideways. This is just chop right here. Indecision. So there's a 50-50 somewhere over here.
Heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. That she wanna Louis and a VV. Riding on the CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. All the greed and the lust.
So if you're betting on the cup, then your best entry for the call is going to be at the bottom. You don't want to buy a call at the top, right? But if you're betting on the put, wait for it to gain more liquidity before it goes down.
22's a college tyrant Mariah. Talk about my lows and all my highs. I'm trying to see the light, this shit is quiet. All the greed and the lust. Cause you want a piece of the pie. All that shit is bleeding me dry. I don't want your peace in the west.
Girl, I'm in your CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. That she wanna Louis and a VV. Riding on the CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. Yeah. They ain't never got it with a dog like me. How we got cheddar singing door right me. Gotta keep it settled, gotta keep it low key. Money like me, money like. Bitch, I'm in the city with a coke fiend. How they talking money when the money don't speak? Money in his knee, but like it came from the street. Shawty in Vienna, gotta get it with me. Just, shawty know, gotta know, only know I'm like that. Set, straight back to the quick switch cars, I'm right back. Left, and he knows that he can't. I didn't go relax, no, when I move way to left, yeah. Shawty won't slide, try to know me. I can never get it too close, me. Cause she heard I got it on me.
Alright, so we broke, we're about to break the green in the 5 minutes.
Now she tryna load up my phone. Shit, I'm in the booth going ghost. Now they heard I got it on me. Now they hear I got it on me. Yeah.
Fresh out the scene. Bitch, I'm the best out the scene. Bulletproof if you know what I mean. Lately, I just been questioning things. Now you wanna stay with me for nice. Baby, I just wanna treat you right. Yeah, I'm thinking late through the night.
time. Don't force anything.
That's my problem now. You got me thinking about you every time I'm not around.
Shawty wants to start trying to know me. I can never get it too close. Cause she heard I got it on me. Couldn't pull it up like me. Shit. Now she tryna load my phone. Shit, I'm in the booth going ghost. Now they heard I got it on me. Now they hear I got it on me. Yeah. Said a 4x4 for G6 3, this baby shit for me. 100,000, couple M's don't make a G. Cash me in my bag and put that 40 right on my leg. Yeah, you know it's how it day. Yeah, shawty, what you think? I'm about to cut up 25 for my lane. I told him my selling is I move it to the bank. Yeah, and you know they tryna lay down with the man. Way out with the man. Right now I'm with the man. Say that she love me, Christy and they owe me. This is how she think, yeah she think. Say she adore me, Christy in the origin. Fuck with me some money. Baby, ain't more time for you. All the love and back the money too. Yeah, when money come to storms, I just stick and move. Now we got me spending with my way back. Yeah, since we youngers, we was dreaming about a Maybach. Yeah, I'm looking for my 41 days now, bitch. Say that she love me, Christy and they owe me. This is how she think, yeah she think. Say she adore me, Christy and the origin. Fuck with me some money. Benches and BMs now, lights don't make no sense now. Yeah, fall back too close, you ain't even know me. Trust my brothers from way back from the north. Christy and Dior, and then like they owe me. Ain't no wealth, ain't no time unless it's real. It's the top of the shelf, it's that stress to get me. And it's closer to the chest when your pocket's too deep. signs are 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. Better come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I ain't forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. Shawty want signs are 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. Better come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I ain't forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. 15 right to my safe, 15 right to my bank. Long as my circle tight, long as my circle pay. If she gon' make my man, if she gon' make my man, I need my Beyonce. Gotta stay tough, gotta stay tough, stay tough. Then I'ma bug and call, say that I'ma bug and call. I'ma go down when it get like that. I'ma hold out till maybe. Even God when I was gon' say, I ain't been good and good and good. Shawty want signs of 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. They come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I ain't forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. Stacks in the leader, all of us teed up. 16 fees now, pay my fees up. All of us teed up, we gon' whip down like yeah, you know. Money so loud they heard it, know. Yes, you know we found a way. On my body spill the shirt. I don't know, ain't no other way. I'm on way, I'ma go down when it get like that. I'ma hold out till maybe. Even God when I was gon' say, I ain't been good and good and good. Shawty want signs of 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. They come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reaching. I ain't forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look. Fuck on my shoulder, lights been going out, Shawty's fuck around like no one. Got on my own now, fuck on my shoulder, I'ma be colder, I'ma be colder. Fuck on my shoulder, fuck on my shoulder, lights been going out, Shawty fuck around like no one. Got on my own now, fuck on my shoulder, I'ma be colder, I'ma be colder. On the Jackie, where she go? Throw my bank, but throw that back like whoa. Run that shit, I need to know.
Use the 5 minutes to guide.
I ain't tryna slow the pain. Damn shawty, I've been this way. I ain't tryna slow the pain. No one running, no game. I say so, I'm reaping up. Gotta tell us twice, I'm keeping dog. Fuck on my shoulder, wanna keep him out. Steady running up, I'm in my lane, I'm on my way. Don't swear, don't stop. They don't got it like me. I ain't worried about a thing, I ain't worried about a thing. What they ain't get like me, you like me, you like me, you like me, you want me, on me. That must be what I need. Couldn't fuck with me, fuck with me, fuck with me. You just couldn't fuck with me. Ice cold.
Alright, so for the calls, if you didn't already get in when I said to buy the calls at the bottom, remember when I said that? Buy the calls at the bottom, down here. If you'd have done that, your trade's protected. If you're waiting, which you should, wait for the setup. It's like that, right? You want to see something like that. So give it a second, let it develop.
They don't wanna like me, but they get it like me. What they ain't get like me, you like me, you like me, you like me, you want me, on me. That must be what I need. Couldn't fuck with me, fuck with me, fuck with me. You just couldn't fuck with me. Let them know down, yeah. I'm on somebody told me, yeah. Can't hold now, yeah. Like I'm in too deep, 10 toes down, yeah. It's hard up there, but I feel like ain't nobody else there. Gotta know by now. You know, you just know my name, know my name, know my name. Wish they see my face, see my face, see my face.
W on my mama on your J. Well, I think that you forgot but what you saw in me. Hard to love, but please don't be the one who got away. Just don't hum it, talking when I come and hum it. Hate the fact that we ain't spoken in some weeks. Blood on hands, but we just rinse it and repeat. Let's speak a language that we both know how to read. See, baby, hold it down, I'm on it. Come on it down, I'm on it. Let me get some money down, I'm on it. You don't gotta say for me, I'm in my way. I'm on my way. Yeah, I learned to cope, I learned to tank, I learned to float. Look, I learned some things. And taught a nigga how to earn your trust. I'm not concerned with them, I know you hurt some things. Look, I ain't perfect, I'm hurting, babe. That make two of us the way you purchase things. The service level not serving us. I gotta let you in so you interpret things the way I meant. And may I vent based off the things you post online. I can't help but think you gotta stay off that. Embrace the fact I won't brace myself for no downfall. No, they pray on that. If loving you will make me crazy, girl, then giving up on you will make a psychopath. I'm on my way, I wait out back.
Alright, now if it wants to go down out of here, let's see if we do a little dance somewhere over here.
Shawty, is she worried if I might show? Damn, it's hard to care for a side though. Out there with my mans in a night show. Drinking party, yeah, we keep the lights low. I'm in my mind all the way. Ice cold, what a nigga gotta say now. Sipping any, we be mobbing through the night.
A little dance right here would be nice.
Like we trapping out of bando. New bitch, new kid. It's calls and the rain on me. I've been down and out, but a nigga still breathing. Same my prayers for the check. Straight shooter like I'm walking with a tech. Move deep and I'm pounding on my chest. You know what I want. You know what I need. Ice cold bitch when I'm sipping my tea. I don't mean to. Feeling myself, feeling my knees. Feel like repercussions ain't gon' ever kiss me. Heard what I said and I can't help it. I ain't never gonna rest, never gonna test me, check me. I need you, here for me. Don't you fuck around, I know you hurt by me. I need. Okay, yeah, I'm a touchdown in the matrix, yeah. Shawty send me your location, 120 on the freeway speeding. Big checks, blue pills, I'm feeding. Young boy finna do my thing. Get the FBI for the case on me. Feel like everything gon' cave on me. Shawty, hold on, have faith in me. You don't wanna. No, I gotta. But I gotta. You don't wanna. Like you wanna see her every day. She just wants somebody for the night. You call, I'll be on my way. Hard to love me when you got nothing to chase. She just wants somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah. Run it up no more. None of y'all niggas carving. Yeah, I know you do this often. Hey, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Hey, I'ma swallow all my pride. Won't be nothing but a side piece. Oh, oh. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. Oh no. Sighting, she be feeling type of ways. I don't need nobody for the day. I just need somebody for the night. Hey, been there and I never been the same. Been there, but I'm not the one to blame. I just need somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah, yeah. Hey, run it up, I'm mobbing. Hey, none of y'all niggas they poppin'. Hey, yeah, I know you do this often. Hey, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Hey, I'ma swallow all my pride. Hey, won't be nothing but a side piece. Oh, oh. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. Oh no.
Okay, so if you took this break of green, this break of magenta, break of green, protect your trade. Your trade's protected right here. Protect your trade. Easy money. Easy money right here. Your trade's protected. Easy money. Trade protected. Look at the money. Look at the money. There it is. There it is. Remember I said we wanted to see a little dance right here before it heads out? Just like this. Here's a little dance. Easy money. And this is how we make money every day. You just wait for the setup. You don't have to force anything. You don't have to force anything. We do safe trades. We know where the setup is, right? I highlighted it just in case you weren't sure. I highlighted the green. You knew it was break. Magenta was going to be your warning. Green was going to be your confirmation. Easy money. Look at all the money we printed. Look at the money we printed on break a green, right? Remember, break a magenta, break a green. I highlighted green for the safety. Look at the money we printed. Amazing, amazing day. So what we had, one. If you didn't take this one, that's fine. This call, if you didn't take this one, that's fine. But we knew, break a green. We're looking for short entries. We know we're not going long until somewhere up here, 519, right? I highlighted this orange because that would have been our indication. That would have been our warning for calls above this orange. Look at this money we printed. Amazing, amazing day. Simply amazing. So then now you see why we just wait for the setup. You don't have to force anything. We knew we were looking for short entry or put entries. Why? Because we're in a downtrend. Our long entries, our call entries aren't going to be till somewhere up here. Minimum, this orange would have told us something. This highlighted orange. But look at this money we printed. Look at the money. Amazing. Your trade's protected. If you took break of green or break of magenta, break of green, easy. Same setup right here, right? Magenta green. Magenta green. Magenta green. Easy. And you build this account little by little. Little by little. And then when you start to get to multiple contracts, this little tiny movement will be a lot of money. Safely a lot of money. You don't have to hold on to your contracts forever. Once you start making $200, $300, $400, $500 dollars every single trade,
Gotta keep them pockets greased
then
up,
you'll see.
can't slip. Gotta get my mama's new whip, new crib.
You only need 1 or 2 trades. That's it.
From the sticks, and no matter where I throw it, she knows it's gonna
I did 3. I'm done for the day. I did 3 trades. I'm done for the day. I did this one because it was a break of magenta, and I took this one. This was the risky one because I saw the momentum candle coming in, and I knew it needed to build liquidity either way, so I knew my risk was small, so I bought the call at the bottom because the least amount of risk is buying the call at the bottom. And if it goes against me, I would have been stopped out for very little, right? Stopped out for very little. And then once it broke my green, I made all my money back. But luckily that didn't happen. I just wrote it up. So 1, 2, 3 trades, I'm done for the day. No reason to trade anymore. Look at this money we made from breaking green. Amazing. Simply amazing.
Heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. That she want a Louis and a VV. Riding around the CG. Heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. All the greed and the lust, cause you want a piece of the pie, all that shit is bleeding me dry, I don't want your piece in the rest, hold it down for me, these I like bitches all the time, these days I ain't even gon' lie, don't let me down, I've been throwing these honeys on a dime, spent 7 on that ring, no wedding vows, all that smoking made me tired, 22's a call it Tyra and Mariah, talk about my lows and all my highs, been trying to see the light, this shit is quiet, all the greed and the lust, cause you want a piece of the pie, all that shit is bleeding me dry, I don't want your piece in the rest, Girl, I'm in your CG, know you heard about it, let me get it on T, and you know I'm holding out for the G60, that she want a Louis and a VV, riding around the CG, know you heard about it, let me get it on T, and you know I'm holding out for the G60, yeah, they ain't never get it with a dog like me, how we got cheddar singing dog right me, gotta keep it settled, gotta keep it low key, money like me, bitch I'm in the city with a coke fiends, how they talking money when the money don't speak.
Alright, let's wait for the next setup. Let me clean up this chart. Not much has changed as far as the levels that we need to look out for. It just got extended, that's all. Not much has changed. So let's see. What's the next setup look like?
I can never get it too close, cause she heard I got it on me, couldn't pull it up like me, shit, now she tryna load up my phone, shit I'm in the booth going ghost, now they heard I got it on me, now they hear I got it on me, yeah.
Fresh out the scene, bitch I'm the best out the scene, bulletproof if you know what I mean, lately I just been questioning things, now you wanna stay with me for nice, baby I just wanna treat you right, yeah I'm thinking late through the night, and baby you can stay if you like, ain't no stress in this stretch legs, baby know I'm different, hit my text when you downstairs, you know that I'm different than your ex, stress less, that's my problem now, you got me thinking about you every time I'm not around.
I can never get it too close.
So for calls, let's wait till we get above this orange. For calls, minimum we need to get above this orange for calls. And for puts, we're going to look for the same setup, right? We want it to build in magenta and then break the green. Same setup, no different. Now for Discord members, here, listen to this, right? Here's some sauce for Discord. Start training your eyes to understand what to look for. You see how this magenta, I'm gonna highlight these right here. You see how this one was able to build enough liquidity and then reject it, and then we just waited for the bounce before it dumped underneath green. So this is the type of build-up liquidity you want to see, right? And then the perfect little jiggle, we knew that was going to happen right here. So you see how see this one, that's not really enough liquidity built up. I mean, I guess obviously it is, right? But ideally we like to see it like this. You see the difference between this one and this one? Ideally, this is the ideal, right? If it's going to build liquidity for some more down, it needs to look like this. That's how we knew it was going to go dance right here. As soon as it started to dance right here, you knew that it built up enough liquidity. Look at this money we printed. Look at this money. I'm about to take profit. If this goes green, I'm about to take profit right here. I took break of green. So let's see if this candle goes green, I'll probably take my profit right here. Like a significant green. I'll put my stop right above this red. And then from green to right here, that's good money. I'm okay with that. I'm not even gonna let runners run because I'm probably gonna get out of here shortly. I'm not gonna let the runners run, and I'm out. All right, that was a good trade. From this green to right here, how many points is that? 51567 to 514. Come on, that's a full point. That's a full point. That's better than a full-time job. Don't tell me this thing stopped now. And look, I got stopped out for no reason. It's okay, it happens. It happens. Now it hurts. Now it hurts. That's fine. No big deal. But that's why it's convenient to do the safe trading. We don't have to risk, we don't have to gamble anything. We already know what needs to happen. Right? For your calls, above this orange. For your puts, we want to see a build liquidity in magenta and then break green. So this hasn't formed yet, so I'll take this away. I'll unhighlight this to not confuse anybody. I'll unhighlight this because we all saw what happened there. Alright, let's see what we got. See what we got. Now we wait for the next setup. Now we just wait. Don't have to chase anything. Revenge call here. Let's see how much liquidity this builds up, right? Now we're looking for this to build up. Something like this would be ideal for this to happen again for the put. So again, if you want to take that risk, which I'm not saying you should, you buy the calls on the bottom, you ride it up. Because if it shoots up from here, then you collect a lot, right? If it goes down from here, you lose very little. You lose very little. And then you know what the setup looks like for the puts, right? I forget where the kid came from, but I guess they did amnesia. All the time when I'm making this shit look. Shawty want songs with 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. They come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they read. You see this like 1, 2, 3 candle? This isn't the ideal liquidity built up, right? So if it dumps right here, then it dumps. You know, that's not the ideal. The ideal is something like this. Something like this over here. That's the ideal amount of liquidity. That's what we want to look for. Now, could this happen? Sure, this could happen. But I'm showing you what the ideal setup looks like, so you can have an idea. You want it to build a little bit, because you know we need this strength to continue down. Oh man, if you took this break of green here, protect your trade. Protect your trade. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Oh yeah. So in our 30-minute, it never left this purple. So on the 30-minute, got off this purple for call. If you took this break of green, protect your trade. Get what you can. Alright, breaker green for the win. Protect your trade though. Protect it. Collect something from it. When you start getting a little more comfortable with trading, you'll understand to take these calls because the risk is very little. When you're buying calls at the bottom, the risk is very little. So if you stopped out for 10 bucks, oh well, you stopped out for $10. See what I'm saying? Buying calls at the bottom, you can always protect your trade much quicker. But if you're looking for safety, it's going to be above orange. Let's see if we get back up inside this green, or if we start rejecting up underneath green.
Hate the fact that we ain't spoken in some weeks. Blood on hands, but we just rinse it and repeat. Let's speak a language that we both know how to read. See, baby, hold it down, I'm on it. Come on, leave it down, I'm on it.
Let me get some money, I'm on my way. You don't gotta save for me, I'm in my way. I'm on my way.
Yeah, I learned to cope, I learned to tank, I learned to float, look, I learned some things. And taught a nigga how to earn your trust, I'm not concerned with them, I know you hurt some things. Look, I ain't perfect, I'm hurting, babe, that make two of us the way you purchase things. The service level not serving us, I gotta let you in so you interpret things the way I meant, and may I vent. Based off the things you post online, I can't help but think you gotta stay off that. Embrace the fact I won't brace myself with no downfall, know they pray on that. If loving you will make me crazy, girl, then giving up on you will make a psychopath. I'm on my way, I wait out back, yeah.
Shawty, is she worried if I might show? Damn, it's hard to care for a side though. Out here with my mans in a night show. Drinking party, yeah, we keep the lights low. I'm in my mind all the way. Ice cold, what a nigga gotta say now. Sipping any, we be mobbing through the night, oh yeah. Moving like we trapping out of Vando. I need. Fuck around, I know you hurt by me. I need. Oh, let's go, I got money on me. New city, new bitch, new kid. It's calls and the rain on me. I've been down and out, but a nigga still breathing. Saying my prayers for the check. Straight shooter like I'm walking with a tech. Move deep and I'm pounding on my chest. You know what I want. You know what I need. Ice cold bitch when I'm sipping my tea. I don't mean it. Feeling myself, feeling my knees. Feel like repercussions ain't gon' ever catch me. Heard what I said and I can't help it. I ain't never gonna rest, never gonna test me, check me. I need. Fuck around, I know you hurt by me. I need. Okay, yeah, I'm a touchdown in the matrix. Yeah. Shawty send me your location. 120 on the freeway speeding. Big check, blue pills, I'm beating. Young boy finna do my thing. Get the FBI, put a case on me. Feel like everything gon' cave on me. Shawty, hold on, have faith in me. You don't wanna. Oh, I gotta, but I gotta. You don't wanna. Check you wanna see her every day. She just want somebody for the night. You call, I'll be on my way. Hard to love me when you got nothing to chase. She just want somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah. Ay, run it up, I'm over. None of y'all niggas, they poppin'. Yeah, I know you do this often. Ay, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Ay, I'ma swallow all my pride. Won't be nothing but a side piece. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. shit been feeling type of ways. I don't need nobody for the day, I just need somebody for the night. Been there and I never been the same. Been there but I'm not the one to blame. I just need somebody for the night. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't need you no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really feel no more. Shawty wanna use me up. I don't really care no more. Shawty wanna use me up. Yeah. Hey, run it up, I'm mobbing. Hey, none of y'all niggas they poppin'. Yeah, I knew you do this often. Hey, I'm running out of options. I'm okay, I'm fine. Hey, I'ma swallow all my pride. Won't be nothing but a side piece. Catching feelings with my pipe dream. Oh no.
I got just another few minutes with you guys.
Piece of me, piece of my, took some time. I'm just reaping what I sow, so for sure. But no, that's just for me and my boy. Be secure, 4x4, G63 fuck on my hands. I'm no friend, pay for keys, can't pay for chains. In the back when the windows tint. Yeah, cause they know tonight. Yeah, they know tonight. Tryna come take from me. And my 40 they don't miss. They ain't even thought this far. This ain't no portion, yeah. Just like I know. Made room for you. You and me, I forgot. You had no place to trust. Just like you told. Just like we rolled. Now we would barely trust. Now there's no saving us. Piece of me, piece of my, took some time. I'm just reaping what I sow, so for sure. But no, that's just for me and my bro. Be secure, 4x4, G63 fuck on my hands. I'm no friend, pay for keys, can't pay for time. Is it me or no? 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 They don't even know me. Now they feeling different when the money come fast. I got lace low key. Shawty keep it down, I'ma be right back. I don't switch mode, yeah.
Okay, so we saw the retest and rejection underneath green for the puts. Easy.
You know that won't play like me. Something that your money won't reach. Then she gave no love for me. Oh, yeah. You know that won't play like me. Something that your money won't reach. Then she moves so sexually. Is it me or no? 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 Gotta keep them pockets greased up, can't slip. Gotta get my mama's new whip, new crib. Tell your shawty listen from the city, from the sticks. And no matter where I throw it, yeah, she know it's gon' stick. Shawty isn't me, no babe. Shawty isn't me, no, yeah. Is it me or no? Is it me or no? wanna Louis and a VV. Riding on the CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. All the greed and the lust, cause you want a piece of the pie, all that shit is bleeding me dry, I don't want your piece in the voice, hold it down for me, these I like bitches all the time. These days, I ain't even gon' lie, don't let me down. I've been throwing these hundreds on a dime. Spent 7 on that ring, no wedding vows. All that smoking made me tired. 22's a call it Tyra and Mariah. Talk about my lows and all my highs. Been trying to see the light, this shit is quiet. All the greed and the lust, cause you want a piece of the pie, all that shit is bleeding me dry, I don't want your piece in the voice, Girl, I'm in your CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. That she wanna Louis and a VV. Riding around the CG. Know you heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G60. Yeah, they ain't never got it with a dog like me. How we got cheddar singing dog right me. Gotta keep it settled, gotta keep it low key. Money like me, money like me. Bitch, I'm in the city with a coke fiends. How they talking money when the money don't speak? Money in Geneva like it came from the street. Shawty in Vienna, gotta get it with me. Just, shawty know, gotta know, already know I'm like that. Set, straight back to the crib, switch cars, I'm right back. Left, and you know that it can't. I didn't go really left. No, when I move way to left, yeah. Shawty won't slide, tryna know me. I can never get it too close, me. Cause she heard I got it on me, yeah. Couldn't pull it up like me, shit. Now she tryna load up my phone, shit, I'm in the booth going ghost, now they heard I got it on me, yeah. Now they hear I got it on me, yeah.
Fresh out the scene, bitch, I'm the best out the scene. Bulletproof if you know what I mean. Lately I just been questioning things. Now you wanna stay with me for nice. Baby, I just wanna treat you right.
Okay, YouTube, that's been my time.
Baby, you can stay
the medical appointment to attend to. We'll do it tomorrow. Discord, I'll be in there in 1 second.